Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So one thing I do like doing is meal prepping. I try to prep as many items as I can for the week. And one meal item that I do prep quite often are root vegetables. And so this is things like carrots and sweet potato and beets. I'll make a bunch on Sunday afternoon and then it'll serve us for 3 or 4 days and it keeps really well in the fridge. So stay tuned for my roasted root vegetable recipe. So I'm starting off with 2 carrots that I'm going to peel and then dice. And these are called Caribbean sweet potatoes. You can look for Asian sweet potatoes as well. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to slice off all the skin and then dice them up. And these are the traditional North American sweet potatoes that I'm going to do the same thing. Take off the skin, cut them up, and add them to the bowl. So I'm drizzling on a good amount of olive oil, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, and of course that's optional. And you want to make sure that you toss them well so that all of the olive oil and seasoning are distributed evenly. And then I'm pouring them all onto a pan that is lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to bake these in the oven on 370 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm doing the exact same thing here with the beets. I'm peeling off the skin. And as you can see here, I've changed my cutting board. If you do the beets on a wooden cutting board, it'll certainly stain it. I'm adding olive oil here again, all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Add them to a pan that's lined with parchment paper and put them in the oven on 370 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. So there you have it, one extra item that you can meal prep, keep in the fridge, and then just add to any meal throughout the week. Now, if you make these root vegetables, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, take care.